Implementation overview. Number fluency, 1 to 10 number bonds year 2. It will help you to set up the evaluation. The first thing we ask you to do is identify 2 similar ability year 2 classes. You then complete the pre-assessment task with both classes. You will then input the data into the What Will Teachers platform, and then this will randomly allocate the classes into the intervention and the comparison group. The intervention will use this for the duration of the trial. The comparison class will continue as business as usual. Both groups will complete the post-assessment test at the end of the evaluation, and the What Will Teachers platform will generate an impact report to show you how the intervention has worked. If this shows promise, you can then open it up to the comparator class. Planning. Let's look at this from a step-by-step approach. So step 1, identify 2 similar ability classes in year 2 to participate in the evaluation from the same year group. Step 2, read the intervention schedule and print off the flashcard packs for each of the numbers. These are included in the resource folder. Step 3, complete the pre-assessment maths test with both classes. Record the marks in the Excel tracker located in the resource folder and input this into the pre-test on the trial wizard. As you're using class level data, we recommend that one teacher reads out the score while the other teacher puts this into the platform. Step 4, using the trial wizard on the What Will Teachers platform, randomly assign classes to the intervention and the comparison group. Step 5, the intervention group of students follow the delivery schedule for the day number lessons in the lessons. The comparison group will continue with business as usual for the duration of the trial. And complete the step 6, complete the post-assessment maths test, which is the same as the pre to both the intervention and the comparison group. Record the marks in the Excel tracker and then input these into the post-test on the trial wizard. You'll then complete the process evaluation, click Analyze, and it will generate an impact report for your school. The intervention. The intervention uses a targeted number fluency intervention for year 2 pupils. It's delivered by a class teacher, and each session will take approximately 15 minutes. How it works. The teacher delivers the daily numbers of fluency lesson following the 6-week schedule. The resource folder includes flashcards for the number bonds for the fact families, with each card representing a number bond sum, such as 0 plus 6 equals 6 or 6 plus 0 equals 6, with the answer displayed on the reverse. In the schedule, you will see that the facts are reviewed to be reinforced using a systematic approach. You'll also find in the resource folder implementation guidance. So this is week 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. You'll also find a PDF for the flashcards for each number. Please print these off the plan sheet so you know which ones are required each day. When printing the flashcards, please print these two-sided, which is a flip on the short edge. This will allow you to have the question on the front and the answer on the back. Some feedback from teachers who delivered this at class level, sometimes it's too small, so you can adjust this to put this onto a PowerPoint. You'll also find a tracking spreadsheet, which allows you to link anonymized student ID to a student in each of the classes. Please just make sure that when you run the random allocation, you record which class is the intervention and which is the control on the spreadsheet. So key considerations, logistical issues need to be considered before using a targeted number fluency strategy as an intervention. So there's a suitable time of the day for the delivery. Schedule to print off the schedule in advance. Any resource that you need to create or to print off, make sure you do this in advance of the intervention starting. And then will you potentially link this to rewards? So logistical barriers are common in any intervention delivered in schools, so it's important to consider these prior to starting. The assessment, the pre-assessment, please use the PowerPoint for the assessment. This is included in the resource folder. This is 20 timed questions at 8 seconds per question. The resource folder includes a pupil and answer template. Please record the score for each learner in Excel tracker and then add this to the What Will Teachers platform. For the post-assessment at the end of the evaluation, it's the same as the pre. To measure the progress and the effectiveness of the intervention, just make sure this is done with both groups. Please record the score for each learner in the tracker and again add this to the What Will Teachers platform. Assessment guidance, please complete the assessment under test conditions. It can be done by the teacher or a teaching assistant. Use the included PowerPoint, which is the same for the pre and the post, and then just make sure you record your scores on the Excel tracker and then add this to the What Word Teachers platform. So that was a quick guide to the implementation. The next thing to do is to download your resource folder, your protocol, and then start your trial using the wizard.